Hi, everyone. I'm Max Dilendorf. I'm a New York attorney and a real estate broker with over 20 years of experience helping foreign buyers to invest in Manhattan real estate. I launched this channel because I've seen too many foreign investors make expensive mistakes when buying in New York. Whether it's poor tax planning or choosing an efficient holding structure, these decisions can lead to serious legal exposure and massive tax bills. My goal is to guide foreign buyers through the process of buying real estate in New York efficiently, securely, and with maximum tax benefits. If you are a non-US resident thinking about buying property here, here's one piece of advice. Plan before you buy. The U.S. tax system treats foreign property owners very differently from U.S. Citizens. Once investment funds are transferred into the United States for purchasing real estate, they become subject to U.S. tax jurisdiction. Without a proper planning, you could be exposing your family to over 40% in combined federal and New York estate taxes if something happens to you. So just to give you an example, foreign individuals only get $60,000 estate tax exemption. For comparison, US citizens get over $13 million. So that means if you own a $5 million condo and something happens to you, your estate would face a tax bill of over $2 million. Estate tax isn't the only concern. There are gift taxes with no real exemption for foreigners, income taxes, withholding taxes, and issues with how you hold your title to the property, whether it's in your personal name, through an LLC, trust, or corporate entity. Each structure has its own tax consequences. Once you are under contract or already own the property, your options to fix these issues become very limited. One common mistake I see is when foreign buyers use a U.S. limited liability company to buy real estate, thinking that it offers protection or tax optimization. But in most cases, it actually creates estate and gift tax exposure and added reporting requirements without offering any meaningful tax benefits. For most foreign investors, a limited liability company is one of the worst structures to use. Others buy in their personal name and later realize they missed out on tax treaty benefits or more effective estate planning options. So what should a proper planning look like? At a minimum, understanding how U.S. estate and gift tax laws apply to you, reviewing your country's tax treaty with the U.S., choosing the right ownership structure, and really thinking long-term, what happens to the property if you want to sell it, gift it, or pass it to your family. If you are a non-U.S. resident buying real estate in New York, it's essential to work with professionals who understand both the deal itself and the cross-border tax implications. Before making offers, take a step back. A few smart decisions now can save you a lot of resources later. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel for more legal strategies and tax tips for foreign buyers investing in Manhattan real estate.